What's going on YouTube? Y'all watching the Cool Kicks YouTube channel out in Westfield, Topanga. Let's go see what's up. Is the fire alarm going off again? All right, let's go see what's up with this Foot Locker. Heard about some crazy markdown, especially with Ultra Boost, some of the Adidas products. Not really seeing it here. Seeing these for $80, which ain't bad. Which ain't bad with these Ultra Boost 22s. And the Web Boost right here down to 80. Not too bad, normally $1.90. And they got these for $1.50 as well as these. Hearing some crazy prices though, not seeing them here. And I did grab one of these for $45. That liquidation store actually lowered the price, which is kind of crazy. But damn, dude, they're all the way in Camarillo, too far. But yeah, I picked mine up for $45. I think they reduced it to $25, and they even had a 10.5, which is the size I need. I had a 10, but yeah, man, dang it. I'll just have to be good with my size 10. Do you got one of these right here? These are one of the Simpsons ones. Got itchy, or is that scratchy? I don't know. $1.30 for those. Material on it, on point, dude. Super nice material. Alright. Have been seeing ton of Dunks, and they're all still here. These are all ones we've seen for weeks and weeks. Nothing too new about those. They got these right here. Are these new? They look like a Nike ID or Nike by you. But they do got those. Checking out the Jordan sections. I don't see any cherries. I don't see all the releases, so I don't know. Did they not get them? Did they sell out? I don't know. Oh, but this is their collection of Jordan releases. Immortality 3s, one of the budget Immortalities. These, oh, they're stayed at 90, which is actually solid. These don't look too bad. They look better than the prior generation. Another colorway right here, $90, not bad. Got one of the KDs at $150. This one's $150 as well. So the On Pearl at $160. That was just maybe because it's an SE version or something. Okay. Still keeping track of their more tempo prices. Still $100. $130 for these. Waiting for them to drop. Not this one. Not really digging that colorway. I guess not really dealing with this colorway either. Not really. I guess I'm also not feeling this colorway either, but just waiting for all of them to go down in price. Checking all the markdowns. Not really seeing much. Just Clippers gear. These are going for $34. Not even that great of a price. Let's see. Oh, this ain't bad. This ain't bad if that's what you're into. $43 for the FAMU jerseys. These are Nike Swingman. They're normally $85, so they're a little bit cheaper. Oh, okay. So they got a couple deals here and there. Oh, my bad, wrong place. So they got a couple deals here and there, just nothing too crazy. They got multiple sizes of these for $43. Multiple colorways too. Tech fleece shorts right here. These are all smalls, going for $50, normally $75. $30 section here. A lot of t-shirts. All these t-shirts going for $30. Jordan t-shirts. Yeah, just what it is. Nothing too crazy. They still do got plenty of these, but I think these have been available almost everywhere. We've even seen them at the outlets for a nice little discount of 30%. Pretty dope. Oh wait, I guess they do have the cherries. Why would they have them out? Why would they not have them out? Come on, Foot Locker, y'all better than that. All right, checking the next flex store because, man, I'm really hunting for these deals. Let's see. Not really seeing any of the steals I'm looking for in the Adidas section. No, not seeing it. I am a huge fan of these. I do like the fact that they're throwing different materials, different color combos, and even different laces. Kind of dope. Definitely not paying retail for anything now, but these are pretty fire. And this one as well. Yeah, $1.90. I'm definitely not paying $1.90 for much right now though. And just the price of everything going up, like just regular life expenses going up, groceries, everything going up. So just don't really have money for sneakers right now. And yeah, I did have a bunch of unexpected bills too. $100 for these. These ain't bad. Do like the gum bottom. Don't really see gum bottom too much with Adidas products, or Ultra Boost at least. Then got these Web Boost ones down here. We've seen these even for $79 in some spots. But yeah, then the latest colorway of the Mellow 3s right here. What does it say? What does it say? I can't even read that. Rare? Okay. Looks like, okay. $1.25 for those. That's definitely interesting colorway. Then of course they still have the Grinch colorway right here. Oh wait, I do see these. These are pretty dope. These are some rivalries, and first of all, it's like an interesting material. Like a cloth type of material. And then number two, it looks like a Simpsons. Looks like Simpsons, dude. That looks like Bart's colorway right here. The orange pants, blue t-shirt, or light baby blue t-shirt, and then his skin color is yellow and then white for the eyes and stuff. Pretty sure that's a Bart Simpson one. Adidas has been throwing out a bunch of Simpson stuff lately. Or you could just get some regular forums up top. Slight sale on those. And 574s, starting to see them on sale. This is a pretty dope colorway too. Got the gum bottom right there, super clean. Normally 95 down to 40 bucks. That's what I'm talking about. Almost dropped them. Got the orange ones right here, going for 60, and then this is the one that we saw. I think like $30. $30 at the Champs outlet. I know not everybody has access to the Champs outlet, but pretty dope. And got all white with gum, all black with gum. At least prices are going down. And the homie even showed me a bunch of deals on caps and stuff like that, but not here. Maybe it's just the slower moving stores. I don't know. Not really seeing it here at all. Oh, and then the new city. Is this the city select jerseys or something? I'm so not digging these. That's just awful looking. We'll see that on clearance at the end of the season. I don't think people are going to be grabbing these too much. Those are going for $1.20 though. And they got the cherries right here. These are men's sizes. These flex stores are tripping because I didn't see them up there either. They're tripping. I just asked the worker why it's not up here. He's like, oh, they have the reimagined ones, but they don't have those out either. What the hell? What's going on here? Some of the skate shops have been getting a bunch of dunks. SB dunks. I didn't see anything on Borders Instagram today though. Just got these. I think we saw these three the last time I came here. Nothing really different. I think I stopped by here, 2 weeks ago? Got all the eye shot. Wares on sale. And this is a skate shop, but they've been having a lot of sports apparel here. Mitchell and S. Dodgers. Jackets. These are pretty freaking fire, dude. These are $125 for these. Even Lakers baseball jerseys. These are fire as hell. I'm not paying regular price, but these are fire. And these are going for $1.10. These go on sale. If I find these on somewhere on sale, man, gotta grab one of these. Lakers starters jackets, $1.20. I got Niners ones here too. But yeah, definitely not paying regular price. These are pretty dope. Dude got a shoe palace right next to LA Social. All right, let's go see what's up here. And then they do have one of these. First time I've seen these. Dang, it's gonna take a few days for this video to come out. I'm kind of banking because I'm gonna be out of town this week, upcoming weekend. So I am going midweek to try to get videos. The material on these ain't bad. They're not bad. Not like super premium. The suede's okay. Not like crazy insane, but the nubuck, the suede, not bad. I kind of like the look of these too. So maybe you find them at the outlets. I am kind of on a budget, so would I rather have that one? Would I rather have this one? The colorway on this one, way more awesome, but I'm feeling the material on these like way more. And another Jordan 1 right here, Jordan 1 high. And then kind of the same things we've seen, 13s. That's the cherry red. Got the cherry red 12s right here. Always dropping stuff. Got the 13s, 11 low IEs. Jordan 1 lows. This is the one that we've been seeing at the outlets a ton for 30% off, which is kind of crazy. But the chambray still. And then dude got these 6s right there. All right, do get to see these dunks in hand, and they're dunks. They're cool. Color blocking, pretty decent. Not a bad colorway. Better than this one right here. Another dunk, and the material, you know, it is what it is. It is what it is, man. But yeah, those going for $1.20 now. Yeah, see, pretty much exactly like the Air Force Ones. I really do think the new dunks, or most of the dunks, just the same material. This one's a little bit better. $1.35 though, because that is an SC now. Oh wait, are all of them going up now? Holy cow. And then the latest addition to this mall, JD Sports, was here on release day. If you guys want to see that, make sure you guys look at that video. Let's look around. And of course, they got all the Jordans here, pretty much all the Jordans that we expected. Included the women's section. Do got the 2 Jordan 1 women's releases lately, or the Jordan 1 high releases. Looks like the Jordan 1 high OG, the reimagined, the Royal reimagined, look like they got a cool box right there. Okay. Okay. But in terms of sales, I'm not really seeing much. Not much new stuff either. I'm gonna hit up another mall, dude. I'm determined to find something. Damn, I forgot to tape the transition. My bad, you guys. Northridge Mall. Already got the Christmas stuff up, damn. All right, hitting up Champs. I think this is the location where they told Bossco he couldn't record. I'll throw a link to that in the description. I thought it was hilarious. I think I'm late to all these locations. Holy crap. Don't see none. Dang it. Still $90, still not bad. Especially if you have one of those coupons. I don't have a coupon right now, dang it. But yeah, 90 bucks, pretty freaking clean. I like this one a lot more. I think it's worth the $10 more because you don't have to worry about the boost to yellowing. Someone in the comment section, they don't yellow. I'm like, what are you talking about? I have so many Boost sneakers and almost all of them have yellowed, and there's a bunch of tutorials on how to make it white, like online. So yeah, obviously plenty of people have the problem. 90 bucks, not bad though. Got tons of deals on these as well. Kind of the Ultra Boost competition, but not really, because these aren't really running shoes. But I don't know, do people really run an Ultra Boost too nowadays? Guess not. But yeah, do got a bunch of them for 100, some colorways down to 80. All the Luka 2s apparently not moving already. On sale, $30 off. $30 off, man. Wow. And they do got these here, man. These are nice, dude. These are nice. I'm not gonna lie, these are nice. I'm gonna see if I can find one at the outlet for 30% off. These ain't bad. These ain't bad. Look, these are the markdowns. Look at this. Look at the $60. Are you serious? $60 for Jordans. Holy crap. These are 10.5. That is my size. I'm not grabbing these though. But $60. Holy cow. And then 80 for these right here. Holy cow. That one for 80, not bad, but dang, $60. That's insane. Oh, there we go. There we go. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. $40 for Ultra Boost. These are freaking cheaper than the discount stores. I swear Ross, man, Ross been selling them for 50 bucks. Holy cow, $40 for Ultra Boost. That is amazing. It's got the fly in it, it's got everything. I just can't do red. I saw someone find a blue one. Found a blue one for that price. Oh wait, look at this. Look at this. Oh, finally found one. I'm gonna have to grab these in a size. See if they have an 8.5 for these. I think this is an 8. Oh, this is 8.5. Oh, okay.
You win. Perfect.
And then, oh my goodness, look at this. Look at this. They got this. This is a 9.5. My dad usually wears a 10. So I wonder if I should grab this for him. Grab it. $40 for Ultra Boost. Are you serious? And I am grabbing that one. Grabbing that one for that kid that I've been trying to find an 8.5 for. That's an 8.5. So I'm definitely grabbing that. And then I think I'm gonna have to grab this. I'm gonna have to grab this for my pops. 9.5. He does wear a 10, but Ultra Boost, I can go a half size down. So I'm pretty sure he can as well. If you guys are into running shoes, look at this. The Ghost 15s, normally $140. These are $100 off. Are you serious? Another pair right here. Definitely interesting colorways, but $40 for $140 running shoes. Quantum 360s. I have one of these from probably like 8-9 years ago and still in really good condition. $40. Does have gel. You can't really feel the gel on these, but they are comfortable as hell and they last forever. Mine are still in really, really good condition. These are normally $160. They're down to $40 right now. I talked to one of the workers. He did say that they had a 10.5 in those blue Ultra Boosts. I'm grabbing the blue ones. He said they had a 10.5 at Topanga. So apparently I missed it because I just came from there. God dang it. So he did bring mine out. He said there's multiple sizes, dude. Look at that. So 39.99. They got multiple sizes. They don't have a 10.5, but they do have multiple sizes. I'm not going to get anymore. I'm just gonna get this 9.5 for my pops. Should I get a 10? You know what? Maybe. You know what? He does wear a size 10, and he likes that little extra toe room because he does have wide feet, extra wide feet. So maybe. I know this will fit him perfectly, but they don't have the widest toe box. But yeah, they do got these go for 100 if you're into that. And then just a reminder, this is stuff I'm not picking up. They got one of these for 40. They got these right here still, several sizes. And then these right here, that's insane, bro. That's insane. All right, guys, that's pretty much the video. Hope you guys were able to grab some of these Ultra Boosts. If you guys are into Ultra Boosts, if that is your thing, I did end up grabbing one of these bad boys. Size 10 right here. These are just fire, especially for $40. You don't have to pay no $1.90 or $200, but $40? Oh, hell yeah, all day. Did grab these for my pops, so hopefully he does enjoy that. And then I did grab a second pair, did grab one of these. These are an 8.5, and grabbing these for one of the homies. I might be sending him a care package, and y'all should see that in the video. But yeah, $40, 40 freaking dollars. These normally go for what, $190, $200, something like that. So not bad. That is the deal I have been waiting for. And that's pretty much about it. The Jordan 37s, that was insane. Then they also had those red Ultra Boosts for 40 freaking dollars. That's insane. That's insane. I did throw out a short. Hopefully you guys were able to see that, and hopefully you guys are paying attention, because I do try to throw as many videos out as possible. And you know, if you're not watching, there's really not much I can do. Not much I can do. Some of you guys are gonna be like, hey, get that for me, that type of stuff. Like, I'm providing the info. If you guys don't take advantage, then really there's not much I can do. You know, like I got thousands of people watching each video. I don't even know a lot of you guys. I'm not gonna send out a bunch of sneakers to people I don't know. I'm sorry. Like it is what it is. But yeah, hopefully you guys were able to take advantage. Crazy deals. Them Jordan 37s for $60. That's pretty insane, man. That's pretty insane. I think we're gonna see a lot more of this. Black Friday, I think there's gonna be some really big sales. So that's only what, a couple weeks away. So yeah, we'll see what happens. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully I can find a bunch of deals out in Kentucky, because I'm gonna be out in Kentucky while you guys watch this. And I'm gonna be hitting up quite a few shops. So hopefully I can find some deals on the East Coast, or is that the South? I don't know. But yeah, I got plenty coming. Make sure you help our boy out. Make sure you press that like button if you're new. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Click on that notification button. I do drop tons and tons and tons of video. And yeah, man, stay tuned. If you guys want to support the channel, help our boy out, press that membership button. You know, I do spend a lot of money on this channel, primarily for gas and trying to get to places and stuff like that. So hopefully you guys can help. But yeah, I got plenty coming. Stay tuned. See you guys next one. Peace.